Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the warranty on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now from here in the search bar, just search Vivo. Now from here, just open the Vivo website. Now from here, just tap on the three lines at the upper left corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on support. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on IMEI authentication. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on about phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on status. Now from here, just scroll down and tap and hold on the IMEI number. Now from here, just tap on copy to copy the IMEI number of your smartphone. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app. Now from here, in the search bar, just paste the copied IMEI number we have just copied. Now from here, just tap on I agree that Vivo collects and uses IMEI numbers. Now from here, tap on submit. Now from here, just enter these characters. Now as you can see, it gave us the details of our smartphone. As you can see, the model of our smartphone is the Vivo Y200 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. And also, as you can see, your warranty will expire in 17th of March 2026. And this is how you can check the warranty on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.